Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, or if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today we're reviewing the Cumbor Extra Wide Baby Gate, a Mom's Choice Award winner designed to keep kids and pets safe. With its 57-inch width, one-handed operation, and sturdy steel frame, this pressure-mounted gate promises top-tier safety without drilling. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Cumbor gate boasts an impressive 57-inch extension range, making it perfect for wide staircases and large doorways. The 30.5-inch height securely contains even the most determined toddlers, while the auto-close mechanism ensures it always locks behind you. Plus, its 90-degree hold-open feature allows for easy passage when carrying items. Safety is a top priority with this durable gate. The heavy-duty carbon steel construction withstands daily use from both children and pets, rated for an incredible 10,000 open-close cycles. The pressure-mounted installation requires no tools or drilling, with adjustable tension knobs that keep it securely in place on various surfaces. The double locking mechanism provides extra security against curious little ones. This gate is packed with thoughtful features, including a walk-through design for easy access, smooth rounded edges for safety, and a sleek white finish that blends with home decor. The one-handed operation makes it perfect for busy parents, while the sturdy construction stands up to pets up to 50 pounds. So, is the Cumbor Extra Wide Baby Gate worth it? Absolutely. With its wide coverage, easy installation, and durable construction, it's a fantastic choice for safety-conscious parents. If you're looking for a reliable, hassle-free baby gate that grows with your family, this one's a winner. Have you tried this baby gate? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest baby gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Blast off.